Want to make a game cheat? Then the first thing you need to understand is that game hacking isn't some shortcut button combo or copy-paste YouTube trick. It's a real technical skill that depends on programming, memory manipulation, and reverse engineering. If you're serious about building cheats for games like Fortnite, your first step is learning how to code. Most experts recommend C++, and they're right. It's fast, low level, and the industry standard for game development. But if you're just starting out, it's totally fine to begin with Python. It's simple and great for building logic. Once you're confident, you can move to C++. The best resource to start learning is LearnCpeep.com. It's structured, updated, and beginner-friendly. If you prefer video learning, check out the Cherno and the New Boston on YouTube. Just remember, watching tutorials isn't enough. You need to write code yourself if you actually want to learn. Once you're comfortable building small programs like a calculator or file reader, you're ready to start interacting with game memory. Begin by creating external cheats for games that have no anti-cheat. Using the Windows API, you can read and write process memory, and that's where real game hacking begins. You'll also need to learn essential tools like Cheat Engine for memory scanning, Reclass for understanding memory structures, and IDA Pro or Ghidra for reverse engineering game logic. A great place to start is Game Hacking Academy. It's completely free and takes you from beginner to cheat maker step by step. Guided Hacking is another great resource. Their Game Hacking Bible is especially helpful for beginners. As you grow, forums like Unknown Cheats become more useful. They may seem overwhelming at first, but once your foundation is solid, they'll become your best source of real-world knowledge. Don't ignore GitHub either. It's full of open-source cheats you can study and learn from. Just make sure your expectations are realistic. If you have no coding experience and think you'll hack Fortnite next week, you're going to be disappointed. This takes time, but if you start today and stay committed, you can level up from beginner to skilled in just a few months. If you found this video valuable, make sure to hit like, subscribe to Hackbit, and tap the bell icon. So next time I drop a real hacking guide, you'll be the first to catch it.